Today we're labeling our supplies so we can help our children begin reading. You don't have to have fancy labels like this. You can find print everywhere.
You may hear teachers refer to the world of print as environmental print, but really that's just a fancy way of referring to what you see on clothing, product labels, restaurants, road signs, and even billboards.
So where's the learning? Well, environmental print helps to show your child that symbols we see as print actually have meaning, just like pictures or photos have meaning. It's a key step in the reading process.
Let's follow along with Charisse and her daughter Mila on a trip to the grocery store, just so we can see how easy it is to point out environmental print to your child.
Milk.
The learning starts when Charisse asks Mila to help write the grocery list. You can do the same thing. Talk with your child about the items you need. Let her see and hear the words on your list as you're writing it.
For a challenge, you can even let her write the first letter of each item. Or, if she's already writing beginning sounds, let her write out the word as she hears it. It doesn't matter at this point if the word is spelled correctly or if the letters are backwards. Continue the learning while you are traveling to the grocery store. Keep an eye out for environmental print like road signs and billboards. Point them out to your child and ask her questions like, what kind of sign is that? What shape is it? What letters are on it?
Your child will be more motivated to learn to read once she understands that print has meaning.
As you start to shop, simply look for and point out all the signs you see. You can help your child learn the letters of the alphabet by asking questions like, remember our grocery list? We wrote down milk. Milk starts with letter M. Eggs starts with letter E. Just work right down the list.
Then encourage letter recognition and learning the letter sounds by asking, what items do you see on the shelves that start with the letter P? What sound does the letter P make? Word recognition is another important literacy concept. For example, next on my list is soup. The sign says soup, so that means we can find the soup in this aisle. What kind of soup do you see on this shelf? Well, how do you know?
As you talk about what you see, your child will begin to recognize that print has meaning and pictures are clues to understanding the print.
And don't forget the mathematics. You could enhance your child's math skills by simply asking different questions.
Try asking, I wonder how many items are on our list. Let's count them. How many cans of soup do we have in our basket? We need 4. How many more do we need to get? Look at these 2 different cereal boxes. Which one has more cereal in it? How do you know? Or even ask, what shape is the front of the cereal box? What shape is the bottom of the soup can?
Take advantage of these opportunities. Bring your child with you to the grocery store and other places you may go. But don't forget about all the environmental print that you have at home. Point out the letters and words on calendars, magazines, clothing, and other items around your house. You'll be surprised at the impact it has.
Let's hear what one parent has to say about environmental print.
Well, I was deployed away from my family from October of 2005 until July of 2007. You know, there were hard aspects of my job, or just being absent and being away in a battle zone, but there's times upon reflection I think she had the harder job. It's amazing the opportunity that you start to think about it, where all the different things that they're being exposed to in the different environment. We were driving somewhere and we went past a sign, and he started talking about colors, and he started talking about a blue circle and this and that, and we were trying to figure out, you know, what he was talking about, and he's like, well, you know, right back there. And he had been referring to, we had gone past a bread store that had a Wonder Bread sign up there, and it had the blue circles and the for Wonder Bread, and you know, and we were kind of shocked as to the fact that, you know, he was paying attention.
Using environmental print is convenient, inexpensive, and provides an active reading experience for your child.
It's important to keep in mind that it's normal for your child to make mistakes when learning to read and write.
Definitely. Rather than correcting her mistakes, encourage her to keep trying and focus on what she's doing well. Turn your to-do list into an opportunity to increase your child's understanding of literacy and mathematics.
For more ways to add learning to everyday activities, check out the additional resources on this website.